Overseeding and fertilizing are basic maintenance projects for a healthy lawn and garden. And when it comes time for a little RX, you're going to find a huge variety of soil amendments, pest, and weed control. So, what is the best way to apply all this good stuff to your lawn? Well, we're going to show you how. Handheld spreaders are great to use with smaller yards. You can also use them to dispense ice melt if you live in a colder climate. You just put the product inside the hopper, you put the right setting back here on the handle, turn the crank, and start walking. A drop spreader literally drops the contents and covers an area the width of the hopper. It's great if you have lots of contours to follow and need to spread your product in a precise path. It's also better for smaller or medium-sized yards. A broadcast spreader is great if you have to cover a large area because its rotary action sprays product out in a wide pattern. Follow the directions on the bag to fill the hopper with the right amount. Fill it on the sidewalk or driveway in case you spill. It won't leave a burn mark in the lawn. Pay attention to the recommended settings on the back of the bag, then set the dial. Make a header strip or border around the lawn. This helps prevent you from sprinkling the product on garden beds and walkways. Now, if you have a broadcast spreader with an edge guard, set it so the spray pattern won't spill into these areas. Now follow this pattern for the rest of your lawn. Walk back and forth to cover the lawn. As you hit those borders to turn the spreader, shut it off while you turn, then on as you walk back. If using a rotary spreader, move about 1 to 2 feet away from the previous pass. With a drop spreader, line up from the wheel tracks from the first pass or the arrow on the hopper. You can follow these same general guidelines to spread grass seed, pesticides, herbicides, or soil amendments like peat moss, lime, or gypsum. Liquid products are great for smaller areas. Hose sprayers simply attach to your hose. This is a pressurized tank sprayer, which is a terrific tool when you need to be more precise when applying products to either your lawn or your garden. The first step is to measure out the product you're going to use, then add water to the tank. Remember to leave about 1/3 of the tank empty so that the pressure can build up when you pump up the tank. Screw the top of the sprayer back on the tank. Pump the handle up and down until it becomes hard to push back down. Push the handle down and twist it clockwise to lock it back in place. Rotate the tip of the nozzle to adjust the spray path. When you open the container again to add more liquid, tilt it away from your face. The pressure can release and send a spray of chemicals into your face and eyes. For more tips and advice, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.